felt weird if I made it through last time but get stuck this time.
Yeah, I hope it's not as muddy.
I saw a big splash. So. It doesn't seem as intimidating this time, but.
Definitely more life. There's yellow flowers everywhere.
You guys are gonna have to pull up. Copy.
Doesn't look horrible. Oh, Jesus.
That looked sweet, Kelly. I was just following your lead.
Jesus.
That looked sick in the ship off, too.
The fear I had.
See someone's GoPro right there.
Yeah.
Anybody want an old tube TV?
You did it.
Hey, kid.
That was easy.
Justin, get through that, all right? Without a single hiccup. Oh, that's funny. I know a JKU on 37's walked front and rear that got stuck there.
I did it back when this thing was totally stock too, if it matters.
Of course it matters. Where's my tail? Monty Cristo?
Yeah, that was fucking easy. I don't even feel like
Monty
we.
Cristo, do you want to pick up Ryan for me, please? Yeah, I got him. Thank you.
Will you get Ryan?
I think they snuck off in the woods together for a few.
Damn it, Ryan.
He's gotta get the good pictures.
He just opened the door for him. What is it? You couldn't figure out the door handle? What happened? I keep forgetting. I keep trying to take off. Like I'm not in four-wheel drive, and I don't need to really give it any gas in four-wheel drive. There's the tube TV they were talking about.
The what?
Just,
That was
it's an
quick.
old
Must be the
big
mustache.
bubble TV earlier.
Just another time.
I think Lisa said, does anyone want an old tube TV?
No one can resist that mustache.
That's fair.
I feel much more crooked than he looks.
I know. I want to get one of those bubbles that tells you what angle you're at, so you kind of know what degree you don't want to go past because you'll flip. Because it always feels way worse inside than what it actually looks. Oh! The pin's stripped. Reaching out and grabbing stuff. God. I'm gonna try something crazy this time. I'm gonna shift into second. gas while you're bouncing everywhere. Trying to like hold myself stable in the seat. Alright, we're going through the big bump. This is so much less brutal than last time so far. Last time was a killer. I was getting jarred all around. Going through the puddle, get ready. Again. The audio might even sound a little bit better this time.
Why?
Because last time the windshield wipers were going right in front of it, and every time it picked up that louder noise, it cut out all the audio for like 10 seconds after. So every swipe, it was 10 seconds of nothing after that. But then again, this current sound that we keep getting in the back might be doing the same thing for all I know. Hell of a rut. Tire. This one's all you, baby. Catch.
Hang on right back there. We're looking a little stretched out. Yeah, everything's fine back here. Everything's just better. Alright, cool. Thanks. Who's going out there?
What did he say? I don't really know who's going up. I missed the last one.
Yeah, I didn't want that crap in my car. Believe that. It's not all wet. Whoa, mud, baby. My gray Jeep is now brown.
No, it's not. Oh, fuck.
James, that was awesome. And a comment from the daughter just now. Mom, I'd say you're more of a child than me. Just tell her that's where she gets it from. Those kids, they speak the truth a lot.
Oh, we're bringing the water with us? That's funny. We created a river. I gotta get out.
Trisha, are you wishing you'd stayed home, or are you going to weigh in on this conversation?
Did you say me?
I don't know.
If you were talking to me, I'm having a blast.
I'm holding the mic, Matt.
Take me to the waterfall. I shall conquer.
That's hours away.
You don't know. Let's back down. You know, stuffy in here. Kick. Something big coming up, or we just all grouping?
Catching up.
Momentary brush removal on the trail, guys.
Look at that tree. It's the top of a tree, but it's just
Sorry, just had to move a tree limb out of the way.
a limb. Weak.
Tim, with all this experience, you can start your own tree removal service.
It's gonna be a little bumpy. Down, up, down, up.
Nice, Tim. I learned from watching you. Nice, Greg. That's awesome, Greg. I was totally blind.
Oh god, another mud hole.
You guys are good to take it out of 4-low now. Couldn't see your Jeep at all, Lisa.
feel more confident in your Jeep.
Yeah, me too. I can hit the stuff instead of...
Jeez, I bet you're gonna have a lot of fun cleaning the tool top.